Thank you for joining us. Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today I'm going to show you Pioneer AVIC 7201 installed on a Chevy Cruze 2012. So in this vehicle we have used the Maestro module to allow us to retain the factory screen. As we can see, we have the same information on the factory screen. So everything that we do on the system will go and will show also on the factory screen. So that way you retain it, all the features. We put the vehicle in reverse. We have the backup camera showing on the factory screen. And in this vehicle there's also parking sensors. So as soon as there's something indicating the sensors, we'll have the system showing us the sensors also. Those are the factory sensors. The vehicle back in park. And now we're gonna go into the settings. We have the OEM settings. So we have vehicle features. We have climate and air quality, collision and detection system, lightning, power door locks, remote locking, unlocking, starting. So we have pretty much every feature you will have from the factory on that system. Chimes during turns, mute during chimes. You can go to the Maestro features. We have different gauges that we can get on the factor on the system here. Very nice system, especially when it's used together with the Maestro systems. Gives you a lot of features. You can see a lot of stuff here. You can go to the OEM and go to car features. We have the gauges in here. We have the temperature outside, the battery voltage, tire pressure. If we had an engine light, it will show us here. We have the AC controls, everything we can actually control from here, and of course from the factory. Didn't change that. You can determine if you wanna, you can change the guidelines, and you can have the parking sensors. Many features that you can play on that system. The AVIC 7201 and every Pioneer systems can be found at Car System Installation. Click on the left corner to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.